Hi makers, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's good to have you back. I'm really excited. This is our third project on this channel and it's getting really exciting and interesting. Yeah, so today we're making a homemade plastic fan, and this project is going to illustrate how muscle energy is being converted to mechanical energy and to rotational energy. So we'll be using the ice cream stick as our blade for this plastic fan. So I want to also show how pulling of the rope can cause the blade or the ice cream stick that is used as the blade to rotate. Yeah, so I hope you're going to enjoy this this project, and I hope to see you to the end of it. Thank you for being part of this channel. I really appreciate your consistency. Thank you. Here are the materials I used for the project: the rope, the ice cream stick, the bamboo stick, my driller, and the plastic bottle. So at this point, I have to drill the center of the stick, the ice cream stick. So after I've inserted the bamboo stick to the blade, the next step is to open the cover of the plastic bottle, and I'm going to create a hole in the cover of the plastic bottle and also create a hole by the side of the bottle and also at the bottom of the bottle. The reason is that I'm going to insert the bamboo stick in the holes I've created in the bottle. So at this point, I inserted the rope into the hole I created by the side of the bottle, the plastic bottle. So at this point, if I spin the blade, the rope is being tied around the bamboo stick. And anytime I also pull the rope, it causes the blade to rotate. Yeah. So this is mechanical energy being converted to rotational energy. I hope you enjoyed this project, and I hope to see you in my next video. Thank you for watching. Bye.